The table view is view in which the visible records in the display view are structured in a table format. We will use a pre-built database as an example. It is a database about events that took place during George Washington presidency. To view the records in a table view, you can use one of the following method. Click on the table view icon on the window toolbar. Select the table view menu item under the window menu. Use the fast key combination of Shift Command T. All three methods will open the table view window. As you can see, not all the record components are displayed in the table. Only the following ones are: start date, end date, record type, record title, parent record, list of tags, level value. The other record components such as colors, locations and photos, to list some, are not displayed in the table view. If you are not familiar with these different record components, please review the other tutorials for more details on each. In the table view you can sort the records for any of the record components by clicking on the header cell of that component. For example, if you want to sort the records by their end date, click on the end date header cell. The first time the column header is clicked, the column is sorted using an ascending order. Next clicks on the header cell will change the sorting from ascending to descending or vice versa. The table view provides also a mechanism to export the data displayed in the table to a CSV file. To do that, click on the Export to CSV button. You will be asked to select the type of separator you want to use, comma or semicolon, and then to name the CSV file. You can then use your favorite application to view the CSV file. If you open the CSV file, you will see that the description component is also exported while it is not displayed in the table view itself. Please note that the application offers more advanced mechanisms to export and import Istoriam-compatible timeline databases. Please refer to the tutorials on exporting and importing databases for more details. Finally, you can edit a record by double-clicking on the records row in the table. That will open the record management window in the edit mode.